Jason Hubbard here with EXP Realty. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and ring that bell. Preparing your home for selling can be a daunting task, but with a little bit of effort, you can make your home more appealing to potential buyers and increase your chances of selling quickly and at a good price. First, declutter and depersonalize your home. This means getting rid of any unnecessary items and personal belongings that might distract potential buyers from the features of your home. This also includes clearing out closets and drawers to make them appear spacious. Next, give your home a fresh coat of paint. This can help to neutralize any bold colors and make your home feel more inviting to potential buyers. It's also a good idea to make any necessary repairs, such as fixing leaky faucets or replacing broken tiles. It's also important to stage your home. This means arranging furniture and decor in a way that highlights the best features of your home and makes it feel more spacious and inviting. You can also hire a professional stager for this task if you like. Cleaning is also a crucial step. Make sure your home is spotless, including windows and carpets. This can help to create a positive first impression and make it easier for potential buyers to envision themselves living in your home. Finally, make sure your home is well lit. This means opening curtains and blinds to let in natural light and adding lamps or other lighting fixtures to make your home feel brighter and more welcoming. In summary, preparing your home for selling involves declutterizing and depersonalizing, giving it a fresh coat of paint, making necessary repairs, staging, cleaning, and ensuring good lighting. These efforts can help to make your home more appealing to potential buyers and increase your chances of selling quickly and at a good price.